Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a wheel glow effect in bikes using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my video in CapCut, and if we want to add a wheel glow effect in bikes using CapCut, first thing first, we need to duplicate our video. You can tap on your video and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. Okay, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. Tap on overlay and you can adjust the position like this. You have to make the second clip align with your first clip, and then we're going to put mask to the second video or the second clip. I'm going to tap on that and then I'm going to go to the mask option. Okay, and then choose the circle mask. Then you can adjust the size of the circle to the wheel size. Okay, just like that, and we're going to apply effect to the second video. You can go to the effect menu right here and then select the video effect and go to the light effect. Okay, this is the light effect, and then you're going to choose the laser beam, this one. Okay, and as you can see that the wheel glow effect has been added to this bike, and you can adjust the effect like this, adjust the intensity and then the range and the speed as well. You can also change the color. Okay, and this is the final result. But unfortunately guys, this effect is only for a pro user, so I'm going to give you another effect. I'm going to give you an alternative. You can go to the video effect and then you can search for the scan effect. Okay, and there will be some effects you can apply to your video, and I recommend you to choose this one. Okay, and you can adjust the color and the speed and the filter as well. And this is the alternative, but it's not that good as the first effect, right? But you can use it if you are not a premium user. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a wheel glow effect in bikes using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.